Welcome to STAS Organizer. In this introductory tutorial, we'll walk you through the main dashboard and its features. This is the main dashboard, where you'll find all the essential information for easier project and workforce tracking. At the top, you can see the total number of employees and active projects. Underneath, you'll find details such as unassigned employees, pending vacation requests, item assignments, and a list of supplies that need to be reordered for storage. The pie charts provide a quick, visual overview of important activity. Active shows all ongoing tasks and orders. Reaching deadline highlights documents, tasks, and orders that are within 2 days of their due date. Expired displays items that have passed their deadline and need to be updated. Keep in mind that the entire dashboard is interactive, which means clicking on any field will take you directly to the corresponding page. At the bottom of the page, you'll find an overview of your project progress and recent activity. Clicking the arrow icon will open the main navigation menu. Your profile and the company profile settings are displayed at the top of the screen. All notifications can be viewed by clicking the bell icon. Whichever page you click, on this icon you will have a tutorial to watch so you learn your way around easier. And finally, if you ever need assistance, simply click the phone icon to access our support information. Thank you for using STAS Organizer, and we are looking forward to assist you with your business.